Morning guys. Ito po yung fruits ko. Nabigay ng kaibigan ko guys kagabi. Ito. Ayan. Sarap guys. Strawberry. Berry. Grapes. Ito. Mango to guys. Mango. Mangga to. Ito naman. Watermelon. Ito. Orange. At saka ito sa strawberry. Ito. Pineapple guys. Yan guys. Grapes. Grapes. Kainin natin guys. Yum yum. Sarap guys. Hindi ko nakain kagabi guys kasi busog na ako pagdating nila. Ngayon, kakainin ko. Sarap guys. Kakain ko muna to bago ako mag-breakfast. Okay guys. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next videos. Please support guys. Thank you so much sa support nyo guys. Thank you for everything. For coming to my live stream. Thank you guys for everything.